Hey fellow travelers! Welcome back to Amazing Europe. Today, we hope to provide you with some useful travel tips. We want to share with you 10 tricks to save money on your travels in Europe. And we advise you to stick around until the end if you don't want to miss the final bonus. Alright, let's get started. Number 1, claim your tax-free shopping. Tax-free shopping is a program that allows non-European tourists to get a refund of the value-added tax, VAT, paid on purchases made during their trip to Europe. To avail of tax-free shopping, tourists must shop at stores participating in the program, identified by the logo displayed on the store's door, and meet specific spending requirements, which can be obtained by asking the shopkeeper. At the time of purchase, they must request a VAT refund form and present their passport as proof of non-European residence. Upon departure from the EU, they can have the form stamped by customs at the airport and later claim the VAT refund at designated offices or through digital systems. Considering that many European countries have VAT at 22% or even higher, this is a great way for non-European Union tourists to save money. Number 2. Use public transportation. Using public transportation in Europe instead of taxis is a smart and economical choice for travelers. Public transport networks in European cities are well developed, efficient, and cost-effective. Trains, trams, buses, and metros offer extensive coverage, making it easy to explore various attractions without breaking the bank. Not only does it save money on transportation, but it also allows tourists to immerse themselves in the local culture and experience the city like a local. Many cities offer travel passes or cards that provide unlimited rides for a fixed duration, further enhancing the cost-effectiveness. Additionally, public transport is eco-friendly, contributing to sustainable travel practices and reducing the carbon footprint while enjoying a convenient and budget-friendly way to get around Europe. Number 3. Purchase a tourist card that offers discounts. Purchasing a tourist card that offers discounts on transportation and attractions is a valuable habit for travelers. These cards, available in many tourist destinations, allow for cost saving on transportation and sightseeing expenses. With a single solution, tourists can access unlimited public transportation, significantly reducing transportation costs during the trip. Additionally, these cards provide substantial discounts on entrance fees to major attractions and museums, enabling more exploration without depleting the budget. Beyond the economic advantages, these cards also streamline travel and visits, eliminating the need to purchase individual tickets or wait in lines. Undoubtedly, it is a smart practice to optimize the budget and fully enjoy the travel experience. Number 4. Avoid tourist restaurants. Tourist restaurants often apply higher prices and offer a less authentic experience compared to the places frequented by locals. Visiting locals' favorite spots provides an opportunity to savor typical dishes at more affordable prices and immerse oneself in the local culture. Additionally, these less touristy areas can be less crowded, allowing for a more relaxed and authentic experience. Furthermore, many small local restaurants offer a fixed lunch menu. These menus are designed especially for those who work far from home and need to eat plentifully, well, and on a budget. For just 10 or 15 euros, you can have a complete lunch and also the chance to taste dishes genuinely enjoyed by the locals. Conducting online research, seeking recommendations from locals, or exploring lesser-known neighborhoods are ways to discover authentic culinary treasures without exceeding your budget. Number 5. Go to local markets. If you want to experience a more authentic local culture, you can choose to buy food at local markets. This will allow you to savor genuine dishes at more affordable prices compared to tourist restaurants. In Europe, indeed, many local markets offer healthy food at advantageous prices. You can find these markets in numerous European villages once a week and in many cities even several days a week, in different neighborhoods. Additionally, by choosing fresh ingredients and local products, you can enjoy a variety of unique flavors. This habit will not only help you save money but also immerse you more authentically in the local culture and cuisine. Number 6. Consider car sharing or bike sharing. If you want to save on transportation within a city or to nearby cities, know that car sharing is widespread in many European cities. It is an urban mobility service that allows users to use vehicles on reservation, paying only for the actual time of use. Users can find cars nearby via smartphone and can book one for free for 20 minutes or start the rental directly on the spot. There are no annual or monthly fees for users. Billing is done by the minute and includes fuel, taxes, and insurance. Everything is managed digitally through the app, including registration, car access, payment, and license validation. But if you prefer to pedal to stay fit, avoid traffic, and save even more, you can try bike sharing, which is very similar to car sharing, but with the only difference that you use a bicycle. Number 7. Book guided tours and attractions online. Booking guided tours and attractions online is a good habit to save money and optimize travel expenses. Many destinations offer discounts and special rates for online bookings, allowing you to save compared to purchasing on site. Additionally, booking in advance provides the opportunity to avoid queues and waits, optimizing the time spent on sightseeing. By using online coupons and promotions, you can get discounts and convenient packages for guided tours and attractions. This habit not only helps save money but also allows for planning the travel itinerary in advance, making the experience more enjoyable and organized. Number 8. Free walking tours. Using free walking tours is a good habit to save money during travels. These guided walking tours offer the opportunity to explore a city with local guides without having to pay a fixed cost for the tour. Participants are free to give a donation or tip based on their budget and level of satisfaction. This allows saving on transportation costs while getting a comprehensive overview of the city, discovering key points of interest, and gaining historical and cultural insights. Free walking tours also encourage interaction with other travelers, creating a social and friendly atmosphere during the travel experience. Number 9. Avoid currency exchange at airports. Avoiding currency exchange at airports and using ATMs or banks is a good habit to save money while traveling. Currency exchanges at airports often impose high fees and offer unfavorable exchange rates. Instead, withdrawing money from local ATMs or visiting banks allows you to get a more favorable exchange rate. Before departing, it's helpful to inquire about any fees your bank may apply for international withdrawals and choose credit cards or debit cards that offer competitive rates. This habit helps maximize purchasing power and avoids additional costs associated with currency exchange during the trip. Before revealing the number 10 and the final bonus, if you found this video interesting, we invite you to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to enable all notifications. Number 10. Take advantage of discount cards for youth, students, or seniors. These cards are widespread in Europe and offer significant discounts on public transportation, trains, buses, and sometimes even flights. There are also cards that provide highly advantageous discounts for admission to numerous attractions, including museums and more. Young people and students can take advantage of reduced fares to explore cities and countries, making travel more accessible and affordable. Seniors can enjoy discounted rates for travel, allowing them to journey with fewer expenses. These cards are often available at both local and national levels and can be used to save considerably throughout the entire trip, making the experience more enjoyable and accessible to all. Here are 10 practical tips to help you save money on your next trips to Europe. Is there anyone you didn't know about? Or do you have others you want to share with the community? Feel free to write them in the comments. And now, as promised, the final bonus: watch out for hidden expenses. This advice is not so much about saving money but about not being deceived by some prices. When we purchase a product or service, there may be additional expenses that we had not considered. For example, in the menu of Italian restaurants, and not only the price of each dish is listed, but if you look carefully, at the end of the menu, in small print, the cover charge per person is written. This is an additional fee that restaurants charge customers who sit at tables to consume. In some countries, it is included in the cost of the food, while in others, like in Italy, it is separate. Other additional expenses may include tourist taxes. These are additional fees per night of stay in hotels or other lodging facilities. These taxes vary from city to city and may be charged separately from the room price. Not to mention additional costs for extra services in hotels. Some hotels may charge extra fees for services such as parking, internet access, phone calls, minibar, etc. Inquire about any extra costs before check-in. If you enjoyed this video, we recommend others from our channel, such as the one about the top 10 low-cost airlines in Europe and the one that will show you 8 tricks to save on flights. As soon as they become available, you'll find them on this page. Well, that's all for this video. Until next time.